Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G 5G 2023 for AT&T PREPAID. So the Moto G 5G is now here for $89.99. So this is a new budget smartphone for AT&T PREPAID. For retail prices, $179.99. So not bad. So you guys will have an ink blue color option, 64 gigabytes of storage. And yeah, this is the Moto G 5G 2023 version. There it is on the front. You guys have your whole punch set for your front-facing camera there. Earpiece above that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. And yeah, I'm gonna try to get it in frame here if I can. I'll try to anyway. So there's the front of it. Left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. There it is right there, your left side. You do have a slight camera bump down the back, so be mindful of that. There's the back of the phone, dual camera setup. It looks like dual LED flash. You have Moto logo. There's the back right there, like I just mentioned. Dual camera setup, dual LED flash, and your Moto logo down the back. A very nice looking phone. It looks black on screen, but it looks like an ink blue color, so that's pretty interesting. So, yeah. There it is again. Power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone. Power button, volume keys. So yeah. On the bottom of the Moto G 5G is your speaker, Type-C charging port, microphone, and your headphone jack, which is very nice to see, because a lot of phones are not coming with the headphone jack, so it's very nice to see a headphone jack. So yeah. It says make the most of 5G networks with a super fast Snapdragon 480 Plus 5G processor and capture super sharp photos day or night with a 48 megapixel camera system. Supercharge your creativity with Moto G 5G. Here's some more images of the Moto G 5G. We had this. Showed you guys some photos of the phone here. So you guys got the left side there, back, right side, bottom, and whatnot. So very nice looking phone. Specs. It has super fast 5G performance. That's the main selling point of this phone, that it is at 5G on the cheap. So if you're looking for a cheap 5G smartphone, the Moto G 5G is worth checking out. It has an advanced 48 megapixel camera system, incredibly fluid 120Hz display, Dolby Atmos and stage speakers. So very cool specs right there. Dimensions at 6.45 inches height, 2.95 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The Moto G 5G weighs 6.67 ounces. Display is 6.5 inches, 720 by 1600 pixels with a 120Hz refresh rate, which is pretty fucking sweet on this budget 5G smartphone. It's pretty sweet feature to have. Camera, it has a 48 megapixel primary camera with f1.79 aperture autofocus, 2 megapixel macro camera with f2.4 aperture. The video capture, the rear camera, the main camera records in Full HD. The front-facing camera can also record in Full HD, and the macro camera records in 720p videos. Video playback is Full HD at 30 frames per second. Front-facing camera is an 8 megapixel front-facing camera with f2.0 aperture. Other shooting options include portrait mode, spot, color, night vision, panorama, group selfie, live filter, dual capture, time-lapse, video recording, tap anywhere to capture, assistive grid, quick capture, watermark, HDR, low light, HDR, shutter sound, face focus, QR code, and barcode detection, which is sweet to have. Pro mode, time, snap, beautification, location information, burst shot, Google Lens, which is pretty cool as well. Smart composition, auto red eye removal, active photo, digital zoom 8 times. So pretty cool camera features there. So yeah, the battery is a 5,000 mAh battery. Of course, it's not removable. It's pretty much standard now. 53.5 hours of talk time, 18.4 days of standby time, audio playback, 73.1 hours on the speaker, and 111.6 hours on the headset. It does have fast charging. It takes about 7 minutes to charge to halfway, then it takes about 188 minutes to charge the phone fully. So, roughly 3 hours roughly to charge the phone completely. So, it has a Snapdragon 4D Plus 5G chipset, octa-core processor, memory, 64GB of internal storage, up to 1TB of micro SD card expansion. So take advantage of that. It has 4GB of RAM. It runs Android 13, so not too bad. Android 14 is out now, so Android 13 is a version behind, but still we're pretty good at West, alright? Wireless and technology there, it does have the N77 C-band from AT&T. There's a 5G band there, 4G LTE of course. It has a world phone, which is quad band, HD voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call. It has Wi-Fi connectivity, 802.11 ABGN and AC, R and K, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, mobile hotspot to 10 devices, noise suppression, wireless emergency alert. It takes a nano SIM card. It takes a physical SIM card. There is no eSIM option, only physical SIM card here. Your sensors, you have a accelerometer, ambient light, barometer, fingerprint, JavaScript and proximity, messaging and email. It has YouTube Music as your default music player. Hitting the compatibilities there, sustainability and whatnot, product codes and all that. So what comes in the box is a quick start guide, Type-C charging cable, and your SIM ejection tool. So yeah. Yeah, there you guys have the Moto G 5G 2023. It's now here at AT&T Prepaid. It's available now for $89.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, AT&T Prepaid has you covered here with the Moto G 5G. It's a very nice looking phone, great specs and features for what it is. And so 5G is its main selling point. It's definitely worth the price that it is. So definitely worth checking out if you guys want a cheap 5G smartphone. Definitely a nice phone at that. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.